Okay, as part of a bonus to this video, I wanted to actually see with a regular hydrometer if the solutions I made actually match the hydrometer readings. And I will float this in the solution, and let's see if we are getting what we expect. So the one thing you do want to keep in mind is these are 60-degree hydrometers. I'm going to actually measure the temperature with the IR thermometer. We're at 61 point. We're right around 60 degrees right now. So this is going to be, there's very little adjustment that you would need to make. If we were at 70 degrees, we'd be needing to make a small adjustment to read this correctly. Okay, I'm looking at the reading now. It does look like I'm reading at the bottom of the meniscus. We're right at 1.061. So looks like our math and everything worked out for that solution. Now we can check the other solution. So I'm just gonna pour this back in here. There we go. Okay. And put this in here. Put this here. Now I'm going to pour this guy in here. Okay. Let's see what we got going here. Make sure there's no bubbles. We'll give it a spin. Better if this stem is completely dry. All right. We are at so it actually looks like we're at 119. So it looks like this solution was off by 1 gravity point. And yeah, that can happen. There can be variances in this hydrometer itself. Scale, only has 1 gram of accuracy, of precision. So a higher precision scale might make this, it's really not bad. It's probably maybe a half a point off. So we're pretty good here. Another thing I like to try is, what would happen if we made a mix of, we did some arbitrary solution. So let's just, I'm actually gonna kind of dilute this a little bit. So this is a mystery solution. Pour this out, and we will stir. It's good to stir solution so there aren't parts that are more and less dense. And I'm going to now float in here and see what we just made. Let's see what this mystery solution is. And 1.098. 1.098. Okay, it looks like we're holding at 1.098. Okay, let's see how our calibration success or non-success went. So here's our 1.098 solution. I will float this hydrometer in here to verify that our calibration is looking good. And let's see, I am now got the reading, and behold, it is 1.098. We're looking, let's just see here, 1.098 might be, no, we might be half a point off, quarter point off, but we're pretty much right on it. We're right on 1.098, so we're looking good here. We got a fully calibrated tilt. We've run it through all the 3 calibration solutions. We've tested an arbitrary solution. This is ready to go and ready to start brewing accurately, and good luck brewing. Thanks for watching.